Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Cold Stone. Do you have cone? Do you have like this with the cone?
No, I don't know.
No, they don't have cone.
Okay.
Yun guys. What did you order?
But if you want mixed stone, if you want separate hot dog.
Separate.
Shoe separate.
You can get the flavor mixed stone or separate.
Mix all. Let's show you separate
Okay,
yan
mix
eh.
on, mix on.
How much the one? One order.
By cup.
Eh, how much the
This
cup?
size $5.5 and this one $7.5.
7.5. Which one you want? The small one?
Alas, you take in this cup.
The big one? It's 7A?
And also, I want marshmallows on top.
Diba, abotang ina, ang dami pala, oh. Ang dami, oh. What is that, Yaya, flavor?
It's cotton candy.
And what? The blue is what?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy, the blue and the...
The pink is lavender.
Marshmallow?
I want what?
Toppings, marshmallow?
Marshmallow.
Diba? Okay. I-mix niya na, oh. I-mix na. Ganyan pala pag-mix. Okay. You want... you put already for him. Alex! Where did he go? Just 1 minute. Alex! Yan, nayate na. Asa na napunta? Blueberry cheesecake. And then... It's two only, eh? Two?
Two flavors.
Blueberry cheesecake and chocolate. It's separate, eh? Nasa loob ka ng mall, pero pinagpapawisan ka pa rin. Ang dami. See? Oh. Payment na. Yan na siya, guys, oh. Hanap ako ng hanap sa kanya. Yung ending nandun pala siya sa taas. Do you have napkin? Sorry, do you have napkin? Ako'y pinagpapawisan. Nasa ano kami ng ice cream man.
Yeah, the ice cream keep melting.
Eat slowly, yeah. We're waiting to Ate Bingkay. Let's eat, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan.